Okay, what I'm going to do here is a review of the ZHUOSHENG wireless microphone. No wires. Now, when this first came in a couple days ago, I tested it. I wasn't too far away, and I really liked the sound quality. I really liked it. Talk about little flies, they're everywhere. But what I wanted to do, I wanted to wait before doing this review, is walk all the way around my house. Now, everybody will walk 300 feet, I think is what they say it will work for. And you see a lot of people on YouTube walking miles. I'm curious if I get a big obstruction like a house in my way, if it still works. And that's what I'm going to test right now. So let's test this ZHUOSHENG wireless microphone, and I'll continue to talk. And right now my back's turned toward it. The remote's in my actual pocket. And I'm in the backyard now. And we're going to see if my voice cuts out or the sound cuts out as I walk around the house. It is an FM transmitter. Totally out of sight now. I'm literally in the back of the house with two buildings between me, a shed and the house. Now when I go down the driveway, I've got a steel fence on my right. I've got the house on my left. You might hear the air conditioning. And I even end up with two fences as I come down this walkway. So we're going to get on the road. Hopefully this all sounds great, because when I did a small test, it did sound really good. And that was the amazing part. I'm on the road. I'm actually behind the camera. I can see the camera. And now I'm going to operate the camera. And we're going to see if my voice can be heard. Coming up the other driveway, because I got two. And we're going to see if the sound comes through all the way around the house. And I don't even know how this is going to turn out or what it's going to do. So this is going to be interesting to me too. Now, why am I reviewing this? Well, I've had a Sennheiser remote, wireless remote. They're really expensive, $600, $700, a lot of money. And this one caught my attention. And when I seen some other people doing reviews, I was more concerned with the sound quality, is what I was concerned with. It sounded good. And that's the amazing part. Now this has a plastic covering, and two AA's go in it, slides in and pops in. One unit goes on top of the camera like it is right now, and one goes in my pocket. Now I've got the wire all hanging out here, which you would put under your clothes. One thing I should do is probably touch this cord, and we'll see if anything comes through with touching the cord. Now the unit itself, I had in my pocket, so it was constantly rubbing while I was walking. I'm kind of curious if there's any sound with that too. So, what is the other great thing about this? I mean, if Sennheiser is $600, $700 or whatever, we must be looking at a lot of money for this one, right? Actually, we're not. It blew my socks away, actually. I mean, I think on Amazon it was listed for $150, and they even have a coupon that you click, and you're paying like, I don't know, $130 or something, and you're getting a wireless microphone. Now, it's not made like a Sennheiser, all steel covering. This has a plastic covering, so I would say it's more delicate than that. But look at the price. If you're careful with it, put it back in its package, take it out, put it in its own case, this thing looks like it'll last you a long time. So this is a quick review of the ZHUOSHENG wireless microphone. I'll link at the bottom if you want to pick it up. But like I said, the price is amazing. No wires. And I think the sound quality is amazing. But I won't know for sure until I get it in my editor. But when I did smaller tests, it seemed amazing. It really did. And I'm being attacked. You? Whew. So here's a quick review of the ZHUOSHENG wireless microphone setup. Walked all the way around the house. I mean, probably, who knows, 50 feet, 100 feet away. Like I said, this does apparently go 300 feet. I'll never need it to go that far. This is probably the max distance I would be with maybe 3 or 4 car lengths. I mean, I'm not going to need it much more than that. And I bought this to use out in the field, not so much stationary in my studio, but this is going to be great when I actually go outside and be doing things. So anyhow, if you like how this sounds and you're looking for a wireless microphone, you might want to go pick this up, because like I said, for under 150 bucks, that's an amazing deal. I'll catch you guys on the next one.